Hello, friends. Welcome back to Tiger Coward Moto Rides. We had another amazing day today, packed with incredible experiences and stunning scenery. Join us. It's a good one. Our first stop this morning was Custer City, where we met up with my online friend and adventure motorcycle icon, Michelle Lamphere. Michelle has ridden from South Dakota to Labrador to Patagonia and back to South Dakota, all in one trip. She's written 2 fantastic motorcycle books and is co-host of the popular podcast Adventure Rider Radio Raw. I'm a huge fan of her writing and her contributions to that show. Michelle is as delightful in person as she is in print and online. Although she doesn't like to be called a celebrity, she's definitely a star in my book. Michelle mapped out an incredible route for us through Custer State Park, and once again, we were blown away by the beauty of South Dakota. We even passed Serge and Jose along the way. Michelle's route had us riding the spectacular Needles Highway, a drive through pine and spruce forests and rugged granite mountains. The road gets its name from the needle-like granite formations that pierce the horizon. We also had to thread the needle through some very narrow tunnels.
Seeing ghosts everywhere I turn, all the lessons I never learned, my regrets coming back to life, dragged from the shadows of my mind. Like seeing ghosts, it's the good times that haunt me the most. Like seeing ghosts, it's the wrong turns that lead me down this misery road. Desolation when I close my eyes, a lifetime I can't deny. Skeletons rising up in graves, history I thought washed away. Like seeing ghosts, it's the good times that haunt me the most. Like seeing ghosts, it's the wrong turns that lead me down this misery road. Reveries drift across my bed. This purgatory feels like the end. My mistakes, fragile like my dreams, vivid and haunting without reprieve. Like seeing ghosts, it's the good times that haunt me the most. Like seeing ghosts, it's the wrong turns that lead me down.
We enjoyed the Playhouse Road all the way back to Rapid City, and then we traveled the Nemo Road to Sturgis. As we approached the hamlet of Nemo, we rode into a horrendous storm with marble-sized hail. It hurt like crazy and the road soon became covered with hail, making it impossible to keep the bike in a straight line. Fortunately, we found a restaurant with a covered porch where we joined a dozen other bikers taking refuge. In less than half an hour, the storm passed and we were back in bright sunshine and 25-degree temperatures. After the storm, we continued our ride on Vanocker Canyon Road to the infamous town of Sturgis. Ultimate Motorcycle Road's website claims that this ride is better than the Tail of the Dragon. I'm not so sure about that, but it was definitely terrific.
Canyon fever is a moonlit bottle on the shelf.
If you don't already know, Sturgis is known for its annual motorcycle rally, one of the largest in the world. Just thinking about it is enough to give me nightmares. To improve my mood, we went to Dairy Queen for some peanut butter parfait therapy.
Ready and aim to kill. I drag the
Not long after leaving Sturgis, we crossed into Wyoming, and the topography changed dramatically. There was virtually no traffic as we climbed the shockingly red mountains. We even saw rattlesnakes sunning themselves on the road.
until I break. I've been passing out, got Marlboros in my mouth. I can't figure out what's left to dream about.
Eventually, we rounded a bend and caught our first glimpses of Devil's Tower. It was magnificent. Although, Spike thought it looked bigger in the movie Close Encounters of the Third Kind. Devil's Tower is a butte that rises 1,200 feet above Belle Fourche River, standing 870 feet from summit to base. It's breathtaking, and I highly recommend camping at the KOA at the foot of the monument. The views from your campsite will dazzle you. Tomorrow we'll continue west in Wyoming with no set destination in mind. I love you all. Good night from Devil's Tower in Wyoming. Go forth with an open mind and most importantly an open heart. And remember, self-care is not selfish. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more adventures on Tiger Coward Moto Rides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next ride.
Yeah. We had 2 guys with us. I think 3 miles to the north. There's no problem. Okay. Yeah.